which was also done in 29th August, so it is celebrated in 29th August. Children's Day is especially celebrated so that we could rejoice, we could enjoy one day of our life because we are still children and we can flash back into our life and just remember our old days and also enjoy our special day. So, Children's Day is celebrated in schools too, as we are celebrating right now. We will be celebrating this tomorrow, but as tomorrow is Saturday, we have to celebrate it today. But still, Children's Day is celebrated in school with some special type of cultural dances or some dances. It is also one of